When you're traveling and you get a flat tire, madalas sakit sa ulo yan, di ba? Pero don't worry, kasi lahat tayo, kaya natin yung gawin. And here's how to do it in your Ford Everest. So, if you have a flat tire and gusto mo palitan yung gulong mo, these are the following tools na kailangan mo para magawa mo yun. So, we have the first thing that you need to do after getting your tools is to bring down your spare tire. Kukunin nyo muna yung maliit na tool dito. This one is important. And then, kukunin nyo din yung tire wrench nyo, which can be found dito. So, ito siya. So, first, this one, this is the hole for the spare tire. So, this is the cover. You need to uncover this first. There. Tapos, using this tool, ipapasok nyo siya dito sa loob. And then, using the tire wrench, you just put this inside the hole and then turn it counterclockwise. Yan. Diyan bababa yung spare tire. To get your spare tire, ilabas mo lang siya. And then, you'll see this metal cord over here. Angat mo lang siya ng ganyan and then you can remove this one na. Yan. To use your jack, you'll be needing these tools here kasi medyo malalim siya. So, you need these tools to extend yung reach niya. So, you just need to connect this together. And this one. Ito, ipapasok nyo siya dito. Then lock it in place. So there, this will be used to twist this para umangat siya. To use your jack, this one is your jack. Meron siya dito, this one, may lubog siya dito. So you need to place this here. Yun yung kamatch niya na nakalabas. So, i-align mo lang siya there. Ang next step na gagawin natin is luluwagan natin yung mga lug nuts. Once na nalagay nyo na siya, para hindi siya umangat or gumalaw, ang technique is iipitin nyo siya ng foot nyo. So, ayan. Kapitan nyo na ng lug nut. Unahin nyo yung taas and yung baba. After natin ito higpitan, ibababa na natin yung sasakyan. Then, let's remove the jack. Yun yung final na paghihigpit dito sa lug nut. Para mabalik nyo yung tire nyo sa lagayan ng spare tire, you need to remove the center cap. Ito. Make sure na i-remove nyo siya para malalagay nyo siya ulit doon and may makakapitan siya dito.